I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. The 12-volt battery in this 2022 Honda Insight is actually tucked away here in the center console. It's a little bit harder to get to. For that reason, we recommend you follow the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely and efficiently replace the 12-volt battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. We are using jumper cables and a host battery to maintain 12-volt power to the vehicle to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. The first step is to remove the access panel. With gloves and safety glasses on, use your specially provided tool or a 10mm wrench to remove the fasteners for the battery retainer plate. And remove the battery retainer plate. Next, detach the harness clip. Next, use your 10mm wrench to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Now we can remove the 12-volt battery drain tube from the side of the battery. Then, loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable and remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Be sure that this cable does not touch any metal. Now we can remove the old battery. Now we're ready to install the replacement battery. Next, reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the 12-volt battery drain tube into the side of the battery. Next, close the positive terminal cap and slide the battery back into place. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery retaining plate. And tighten the fasteners. The next step is to reinstall the harness clip. And finally, we can reinstall the access panel. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.